Hi friends! Today we are going to learn how to ADD numbers together. It's going to be so much fun. Addition means putting things together to find out how many there are in total. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's count these 3 yummy red apples. 1, 2, 3. Now we add 2 more apples. See them joining the group? Plus 2. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now for something different. Look at these 4 colorful balloons floating in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if we add 1 more balloon? Let's see what happens when we put them together. How many are there now? I'll give you a moment to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 4 plus 1 equals 5. You are doing a wonderful job. Let's try one more practice. We start with 2 bright stars in the sky. 1, 2. Now we add 3 more stars. Let's count them all together. Can you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. You're an addition superstar. Addition is so much fun. You can practice adding things all around you, like toys or snacks. You did amazing today. I can't wait to see you next time for more number fun. Bye-bye.